Did you know that the best trading strategy for a 20-year-old may be completely wrong for a 50-year-old? Age influences your risk tolerance, available capital, experience, and even the amount of time you can dedicate to the markets. Let's see how. Traders in their 20s usually have the highest risk tolerance and the smallest trading accounts. Because they have decades ahead of them, they can afford to take more calculated risk and focus on learning. This is why younger traders are often attracted to day trading, scalping, crypto trading, and growth stocks. The advantage is flexibility and time. The biggest danger is overtrading and confusing trading with gambling. At this stage, learning risk management is often more important than making money. For many traders, their 30s and 40s are the most productive years. They typically have more capital, more experience, and better emotional control. At the same time, careers and family responsibilities limit the time available for active trading. As a result, many traders shift towards swing trading, trend following, and position trading. The focus moves from excitement to consistency. Instead of making more trades, successful traders start making better trades. For traders over 50, preserving wealth often becomes more important than aggressively growing it. Many experienced investors focus on dividend stocks, ETFs, long-term investing, and income strategies. The goal is simple: protect capital, reduce stress, and generate consistent returns. Interestingly, older traders often avoid costly emotional mistakes because they've already experienced multiple market cycles. Here's the most important lesson: age doesn't determine trading success, discipline does. There are successful traders in their 20s and successful traders in their 60s. The best strategy is the one that matches your risk tolerance, capital, available time, and personality. As traders gain experience, many naturally move from fast, frequently trading toward fewer, higher quality opportunities. And that's often where long-term success begins. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.